The Bose Wave Radio CD Player AWRC-1P delivers surprisingly room-filling stereo sound from a very compact tabletop design, thanks to its internal waveguide system that channels air for deep, convincing bass. Its integrated compact disc player and sensitive AM and FM tuner make this a versatile, all-in-one music system that handles everyday listening without needing extra components. Automatic tonal adjustment keeps music balanced and natural at both very low and very high volume levels, so late-night listening and daytime background music both sound consistently clear. Dual alarm clock functions with easy top-mounted controls and a slim remote make it a practical bedside or kitchen companion that is simple for anyone in the household to operate. The unit can be paired with an external voice assistant or wireless adapter through the auxiliary input, allowing you to stream from modern devices while still enjoying the classic Bose sound profile. Build quality feels solid and long-lasting, and even in renewed form, the finish and controls typically arrive looking clean, well cared for, and ready for daily use.